What's up guys, in this video I'm going to go over the 3 must-have machines for boat detailing. Guys, like always, if you get any value out of this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below. I typically get back to people within seconds. I personally love when people comment because it allows me to, 1, answer their question, and 2, if other people that probably have the exact same question as you can go down below and check it out. So always check the comments down below for more information on specific questions on this video. And guys, if you want daily tips and tricks for boat detailing, follow me on Instagram at drakes.detailing. And I will see you in the video. I get a ton of people that ask me, hey, I'm starting a boat detailing business. I don't know where to start. So I'm making this video for you guys. It's going to be the 3 must-have machines if you're starting a boat detailing company. Also guys, I will say the links down below, I do make a small percentage off of it. And that's kind of how I support my channel, buy fancy cameras and buy more cool detailing stuff so I can make reviews. So anything that you guys buy from down below, man, I really appreciate it. If you don't buy from me, it won't hurt my feelings. I'm still gonna make these videos anyway. Alright, first let's hop into this. The first and basic machine is going to be the Griot's Garage DA. This is a simple DA. This machine is going to be great for 2 things. Waxing, I always typically wax with this machine, and then it can also be used for removing swirl marks and holograms. This machine is about 165 bucks. If you buy any machine at all, make sure it's this one. This machine is a great little machine for the money. There are cheaper options out there on Amazon, Harbor Freight, but for 165 bucks, this machine has done me very well in my business. I have used the Harbor Freight one. That's a decent machine too, but it does break quite often. But that one's like 75 bucks. And then I've used the Porter cable. Every single Porter cable I've owned has caught on fire. Like, not even kidding. I have sworn off Porter cable completely. Every single one that I have bought has literally caught on fire on customers' boats. Like, it's been insane. So do yourself a favor, don't buy a Porter cable. Go ahead, just get this. It's gonna make your life way easier. This machine is specifically going to be for waxing and light swirl removal. The next machine that's absolutely a must-have is a rotary buffer. I have put hours and hours on this. This is the Makita rotary polisher. DeWalt is also a very good machine, so if you're kind of up and down on both, I personally like the Makita a little better. I think it's a tad bit more expensive, and I've just found that this machine is actually balanced a lot better than the DeWalt. The DeWalt feels a lot like really top heavy. This machine just feels overall well balanced. I did use DeWalt's for like probably 5 years, and I actually switched about probably a year and a half ago to Makita's, and I will never go back. Makita is the way to go. Now you may ask yourself, what is the rotary for? Okay, this machine is going to be your bread and butter, okay? Typically every single boat that I detail, I use the rotary. Okay, so you are using this machine a lot. This machine is going to be your machine that you cut, sometimes even light polishing, but mainly it's going to be your compounding. So a boat has a ton of oxidation, sanding marks, swirl marks. You are going to always use this machine to cut. Unlike a car, if you are a car guy out there, you may not ever use a rotary. You may try to stay as far away as a rotary as possible on a car, but guys, on boats, you always go ahead and use a rotary polisher to remove any oxidation, sanding marks, or swirl marks. If you're thinking about, hey, which rotary do I buy? This one's gonna last you forever. If it breaks, they're super easy to fix. Pretty much any small machine shop can work on them. They're not German, they're not exotic or anything like that. So go ahead, just do yourself a favor, get yourself a Makita rotary buffer. Now, last but not least, this machine is purely a kind of an optional thing, but I would not do boat detailing without it. It is the Flex 3401 VRG. I have another video down below specifically on this machine about how to run it properly because it is a forced rotation machine. This machine is basically a hybrid between the last 2, okay? So the other 2, the DA, if you put a lot of pressure on it, it'll actually stop spinning. Basically a safety mechanism so you don't burn through paint or through gel coat. This one won't. You could stand on this puppy and it ain't gonna stop moving. It'll rip and rip and rip. That is a very good thing when you're trying to remove like heavy oxidation, light oxidation, swirl marks, which I have video down below of me doing that on how to run this, so check those out, or check right up here. I'll leave a link to that video right there. But guys, this machine, do yourself a favor, get this machine. Now, another very good option, which I don't have on me right now, is a Rupes Bigfoot. You can get the Mark III, which is a lot of money, or just a simple 15mm throw. Rupes Bigfoot, also another very good machine. That machine won't wear you out as much, doesn't have quite as much power in my opinion as the Flex here. But guys, if you are looking for the 3 machines that you can use on every application, on every single boat, every single time, go ahead, get the Griot's Garage DA, get the Makita Rotary, and get the Flex 3401 VRG. Trust me, you will thank me. Everything that I listed is down below. Go ahead and buy it. If you go ahead and sign up for a wholesale account on Detailed Image where you can get these machines, we both get a free $20 bill. So go ahead and do that if you're a boat detailer. Also guys, I will say the links down below, I do make a small percentage off of it, and that's kind of how I support my channel, buy fancy cameras and buy more cool detailing stuff so I can make reviews. So anything that you guys buy from down below, man, I really appreciate it. So guys, that is a wrap. I know this is a very quick, basic video, but if you are starting a boat detailing business and you're needing to know the top 3 machines to buy, go ahead, do yourself a favor, go down below, buy these machines, and you will thank me. I have more videos on how to run these machines on my channel, so go ahead and check those out. And like always guys, if you've gotten any value out of this, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, comment down below. I usually get to everyone within seconds.